Hi, I'm Community Outreach Officer Liam May out of the West Springfield District Station, and I'm with the Fairfax County Police Department. I just want to talk to you about some classes that the police department offers to houses of worship, and just kind of give you some ideas of what we do and what resources we have for you. So some of the classes we offer are, one of them being civilian response to active shooter events. This is probably one of our most requested classes from houses of worship. And basically what it is it's situational awareness training and how to respond if you find yourself in an active violence situation, right? We want to better prepare your members for, the inevitable if it does come to your house of worship, and basically what steps to take through avoiding, denying, defending, to be able to be prepared and react to these situations, right? It's very sad we have to talk about this, but it's there, and we want to train as many people as possible just in case. How long is it? Well, it's about an hour to an hour and a half. It can be modified to be shorter depending how much time you have, and how much time your members have. We also offer, and this pairs very well with CRAZE, or a civilian response to active shooter, we offer Stop the Bleed. What is it? Well, it's a hands-on course that will help you recognize life-threatening bleeding and how to control it with 3 quick techniques. And that's packing, tourniquets, and pressure. All right. How long is the class? It's about 45 minutes to an hour. It's got a lecture base and then also has a hands-on portion as well. So you get to actually practice all 3 quick techniques, and this can be very beneficial for everyday life or something as serious as an active attack. We also teach Worship Watch, which is, what is it? Well, it's a crime prevention for your house of worship. It talks about the definition of crimes, how to report crimes, and then observation skills. This goes into a lot about, what's suspicious behavior, how you should, describe a person or look for in a person, such as from head to toe, how to describe a vehicle. So when a police officer arrives, you kind of can give all this information quickly to us to make our jobs a little easier, but also catch the criminal a little faster as well. It helps also build the foundation of a security team. So if you're looking to create a security team for your house of worship, this is a great beginning steps on doing that. And it's about an hour long, and it's all lecture based. Also we offer is Hidden in Plain Sight, or HIPS, and then we also offer, which is also similar, Kids in Today's Society, or KIDS. So what is it? It both discuss current trends in social media, narcotics, and mental health concerns in the teen population. So it really focuses on teens and to better prepare parents for the different trends out there that kids are, currently doing. Also provides guidance in talking to your kids and then finding resources if you need help. It's about an hour to 2 hours. HIPS is a little bit longer because there's more interaction, such as a class. There's like a bedroom setup that you kind of will go through. KIDS is a little more lecture based, and you get to see different items that kids are using out there, but there's no bedroom setup. And then lastly, personal safety. So what is it? It discusses situational awareness and techniques to keep you safe in everyday life. It basically teaches you to better prepare for yourself when you go out in public and just be a little more confident when you're out in public. And then how long is it? It's about 45 minutes to an hour. This is all lecture based as well. And again, all these classes are just, there's some other classes we might teach that different crime prevention or community outreach officers might have training for. So reach out to them if you're interested in something a little bit different. But that generically, that's going to be all the classes we offer. But thank you. And if you have any questions, again, reach out. There's my phone number and my email there as well.